Hello guys, today I've got Xiaomi Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to answer the question, which is why do my headphones keep disconnecting from my phone? So actually the main reason behind this may be your phone. Try connecting your earbuds to a different device. Like for example, if you're using your phone, try using your brother's phone or some sort of different device, maybe laptop, maybe some TV, everything that just supports Bluetooth. If it's still dropping connection on this device, like this second one, your private device is at fault and you need to contact device support of your phone or try to fix it on your phone. If you feel that it is still that bad, if it's still dropping connection, we need to go even deeper. You need to perform a factory reset, no matter of how much data you have stored, settings. How to do that? Close the case, open it, and hold this button right here for 10 seconds. Now, after the factory reset, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine still, you need to try to charge them up to 100% and check if it works. Then, if it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!